So the OnePlus Nord 3, yeah, this mobile is going to release soon in India. First of all, let's start with this display. This mobile's display size. Yeah, this mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of fluid AMOLED display, and it supports 120Hz refresh rate. And this mobile also comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 or 6 protection glass. And this mobile is a full HD resolution mobile. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this mobile comes with a powerful processor that is a MediaTek Dimensity 8100. Yeah, it is a octa-core processor, and this is a 5G processor, 5G supported processor. But unfortunately, this mobile doesn't come with any 5G support in India, according to the rumors until now, according to the news until now. And when we talk about the camera, yeah, which is a big thing in this mobile, that is, this mobile comes with a triple camera setup at the back side. It comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera and 2 megapixels of macro. Why 2 megapixels of macro? Anyways, and it also comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, and we can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS with this mobile's back camera. And when we talk about the battery, this is also a huge thing in this mobile. That is, this mobile comes with a 4500 milliamperes of battery, yeah, but it does supports 150 watts of super dart charge. Yes, yeah, this mobile can charge from 0 to 100 in under 20 minutes, according to the the advertisement. And when we talk about the other features about this mobile, that this mobile comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner, and this mobile also comes with a Type-C port, obviously, for the charging. And this mobile comes with a polycarbonate body and plastic back and front glass. Yes. And when we talk about the operating system and OS, this mobile comes with Android version 12 out of the box with Oxygen OS 12, the latest version when it releases. And when we talk about the other features, this mobile comes with two storage variants, according to the news now. That is, those are 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. I think there is no 12GB RAM variant, so let's wait until the mobile release and see whether the 12GB RAM variant available or not. And when we talk about the other features about this mobile, that this mobile comes, when we talk about the connectivity, yeah, this mobile comes with no 5G bands, obviously. And this mobile comes with a no 3.5mm jack and no IR blaster and no IP rating and nothing like that. This mobile comes with Wi-Fi 4. When all the mobiles are coming with Wi-Fi 6 or 6E, this mobile was still stuck at Wi-Fi 4, according to the news until now. Wi-Fi 4 and Bluetooth version 5.2. Yeah, that's the latest version. And this mobile also comes with the price tag of this mobile might release with a price tag of about 27,000 rupees, 27,599 rupees, almost near to 27,500 rupees. So according to the rumors until now, this mobile might release by the end of December or by the starting of Jan, I mean like first week of Jan. So let's wait until the mobile release and buy the mobile and see the mobile and use the mobile. By the way, I am making this video after a long time, but I can promise that from today I'll post regularly videos, not debate, daily regular videos. So let's keep with the channel, let's stick with the channel by subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button if you like this video. So that's it for the video.